An estimated 64 million Americans suffer hair loss by the time they turn 30 years old. And now there's new technology right here in Cincinnati designed to make it easier for people to grow their hair back.
And Jessica Schmidt introduces us to one doctor who's on the forefront of hair restoration.
So artificial intelligence is becoming more integrated into everyday life, right? We see it in the automotive industry, we see it in finance, transportation, and now the world's first FDA-approved robotic hair treatment is helping Dr. John Mendelson's patients see themselves in a new way. In 3 months, Brian Weefring is turning the big 5-0, so he decided to do something for himself.
It was either shave it or not, and I thought, with this technology, why not just do it?
Weefring is the very first patient in the greater Cincinnati area to undergo hair restoration using the brand new technology from the robot Artas. And he's confident he'll like what he sees when he looks in the mirror.
It helps with self-confidence, and I'm in the business. I have a lot of clients that I see every day, and I thought it'll just help with self-confidence. Why not?
Dr. John Mendelson has performed more than 10,000 procedures like this in his career, and he says he notices a difference in his patients when their hair grows back.
This restores self-confidence. People are more comfortable, whether or not it's being on Zoom or presenting or in a relationship, and how they sleep and what they're covering. And this is true for men and women.
Traditionally, there were only 2 methods for hair restoration surgery, but now with the Artas, there's a quicker and more efficient way to complete that procedure.
With a robot, we can more precisely, accurately, consistently do this and allow our technicians a little time to relax. This is a tedious procedure. This can go on all day. And so the robot can harvest 2,000 grafts per hour, and it allows patient comfort, and it allows our techs also to do a better job placing.
Those 2,000 grafts more than double the amount that could be done in 1 hour. Weefring says the whole process was painless, and he's glad he went through with it.
It's been totally fine. I mean, it's been relaxing, to be honest with you. It's been very relaxing. Everyone's so nice here.
So as for the results, the patients can expect to see full results in about 6 months. As for the cost of one of those procedures, well, Dr. Mendelson says it really depends on the size of the area they're operating on. The price can range from $6,000 to $19,000. Jessica Schmidt, Fox 19 Now.
Yeah, just so you know, Frank Marzullo stuck around for that story. He texted me.
I don't think he wanted you to let everybody know that.
No, he said let everybody know that.
Okay.